All right, guys. So get ready to turn this camera around. You have got to see this pretty car. Hold on. If you like them big old blowers, right? Small block, but with a blower. Nice. While we're here, we'll check out this one. Look at that. Isn't that some nice shit there? Nice. All right, we got Chad's truck. How badass is this, right? Sweet, right? Check that out, right? Looking good, looking good. You got the white walls on there going down. Sweet. All right, there you go. We got Mike's 56. I also did he was in another video when we went to that Treasure Motorsports. 56. I love the new rims. Ain't that cool? You got a Tremec in it, 5-speed. Sweet, looking good, Mike. Looking good, buddy. You good, bud? All right, we got Ryan's 2 Ramblers here. So I believe he calls this one Stan and this one Rosie. I think I'm right. Am I right, Ryan? Sweet. We got Dave and Karen's awesome wagon. Good cover on that. So nice and clean. This is a beautiful car. Yeah, this is beautiful. Nice. The owner though, that guy. Oh, hey Dave, how are you, buddy? All right, we got Tony in the Novocaine here. Buddy of mine. He's been in a few videos. If you want to check it out, look through my playlist. You'll see his car there when he first got it. Sweet, Tone. All right, so I missed Brian and Maria at the net. Y'all remember this, and All right, Davey.
Let's hear it for Mr. Ness. Beautiful.
Yeah, Davey!
What's up, Dave?
I appreciate it. Hey, don't get the porta pot in there. Get the porta potty back.
Yes, I knew this is the one that's
Yeah. Everybody's got one now, right? Nice truck. All right, guys, happy 4th of July. We're getting ready to throw some burgers on the grill. Pretty American. Man, that show was awesome. That's the Motor Mender show at the Amish Market in Shrewsbury. I've done videos on that one before. Always some really cool cars. So I love going to that show. Always run into friends because it's local to my neighborhood. It's like 5 minutes down the road. So it's in my back of my yard. So we got a cool upcoming video. The next video you'll see, we're going to the AACA Museum. They're having an orphans display, or orphans set up in there. And an orphans car, anybody that doesn't know, is a car that's no longer manufactured or brand like AMC. Even Pontiac will be considered an orphan car. So we're going to go check that out. We also have a friend of mine who is family, Dwayne, who's part of the AMO community, AMC community. He's got a display in there, so we're going to go check that out. That's going to be really cool because it's not cars that we get to see every day. I mean, they're really cool cars there. And then I have to announce in 2 weeks, not next week, but the following Wednesday or Thursday, we are heading to Syracuse, New York for the Syracuse show up there. I've never been to that show before. Multiple friends have been there before. We're going with somebody who actually has been there before. My friend Dougie told me about the show and how cool it is and how much you're going to love it. It's multiple days, thousands of cars. I'm looking forward to it. I'm having issues with the 55 right now, so I am taking the truck because it's a good cruiser. I mean, I would probably take it anyway, just because I'm not worried about winning. I'm just worried about cruising. So anyway, videos are coming in the future. Thanks, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and stick around.